Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at that yummy looking smoothie. Yeah, if you want to get the recipe, make sure you watch this video to the end. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make my favorite strawberry banana smoothie. Right here I have my bananas, then I have my frozen strawberries. I like to use frozen strawberries because I like my smoothie really cold. I didn't freeze my bananas because that would be too much ice. So yeah, I have my bananas, then I have my frozen strawberries. Yeah, look at that. Then I have my Greek yogurt. So I have this strawberry Greek yogurt I'll be using. Then I have my cultured buttermilk, low fat cultured buttermilk. Yeah, this milk has vitamin A and D, and it kind of change the whole taste of your smoothie, like, so it gives it a very creamy and yummy taste. You like it. So guys, to get started, I'll be adding all of my ingredients in my smoothie cup. I started off with my strawberries, my frozen strawberries. Then I went ahead to add my bananas. I feel like this banana is just too much because it's like too much, so I will be using half of it. Yes. So after that, I went ahead to add my milk. So usually I would do almond milk, but right now I don't have that handy, so that's why I'm using the buttermilk. But yeah, this is also good. But yeah, almond milk is like the best is my go-to. So I'll be using 1.5 cup. Usually I think that's too much, and I will not be adding any water, so the milk is like my water. Then when I had to add my Greek yogurt, you can see the struggle of using one hand to record and the other hand to do stuff. But yeah, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. So when I had to add my Greek yogurt on it, and I went ahead to blend everything together. Yeah, look at that tasty looking smoothie. Like, look at how it's so smooth. Like, I love how it looks. So when I had to put it in my smoothie cup, and voila, there you go. That's it, guys. That's how to make your healthy smoothie. I usually take this for my lunch. Like, this is my go-to smoothies when I don't want to try other smoothies. Like, this is my go-to. I love this smoothie so much. So guys, that's about today's healthy meal recipe. I hope you'll be trying this smoothie recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you eventually try it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to stay connected by subscribing to this channel, like and share. I'll be sharing more healthy meals in the future, so you want to stay connected. All right, bye for now.